Hello everyone, welcome back to knowledge sharing series using Raspberry Pi, Node-RED and IoT. In this session, we are going to discuss about a special node which is known as the data generator node. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a special node which is known as the data generator node. As it is by default not installed in your Node-RED, though I have installed it, that's why it is available under the function category, data generator. But if you want to install it, you can go to the manage palette, check for the data generator. This Node-RED data generator node I have already installed, that's why it is under this particular category. So if you do not have this node, you go into the install, search for the data generator and install it. I hope you know how to install it. Now, many a time it is required to generate a data which is a random data for some sort of other nodes. So this node is very much helpful to generate a random data for different applications or different nodes. If you check the particular information about this node, it allows you to generate this many random data. Now let's see the property of this. If you double click on this, it is having some default template where you can see the name, work, email address, country, and if you want some more information, you can add it from this list. Right now, just make sure that the proper format is written in the template and you are clicking on the done button. Now let's inject the value inside this and let's connect the debug node so that we can check it out what are the different values data generator can generate. We are only inserting the value, or we are using this inject node for the triggering purpose. So let's deploy it. As soon as you insert the value, you can see in the debug window that random values are generated. Again, let me insert the value. Few more values are generated. There is no repetition of the values in the debug node. So this data generator will generate the appropriate values based on the value what we have specified under this property of data generator node. Now, if you want to remove something, you can remove, let's say I am removing the last name and I am removing this street, right? Let's deploy it, clear this window so that we can see the result. You can see that only the name is given, but at the same time email address is also given properly, just it is not displaying the last name. Fine. Likewise, if you want to add anything, you can add it from this particular thing. Let's say zip code, just modify this code after country, double quote zip code. Here you can write anything, let's say AAA if you wish. You can specify the things. But make sure the value inside this bracket must be the appropriate. After this zip code, click done, deploy it, select the debug window and inject the value. It is generating some sort of zip code, but at the same time the represented value is AAA. So friends, now I hope it is clear what are the values and how to generate these values. If you do not want anything like the name or anything must be printed, you can remove it. It will just display the random values which are generated by this generator node. Make sure that you are having the appropriate format. You are not missing any bracket or anything inside this, otherwise the value will not be appropriate. You can see the correct values are given here. Let's modify some more values and see the difference in the output. Let me put it at the beginning of this, that is the integer. And friends, I have removed the double quote, just check it out. Then I am considering the first name, I am putting the double quote, then I am having the company name, and then I am not considering any other values inside this. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now let's deploy it and check the output. What is the value we are having? See, the number is there, then the name in the double quote is also there, and the company name is also there. Now let's modify it. Just remove the double quote from all the values. What will be the value we have? Deploy it, done it and deploy it and execute. You can see the difference here. So this could be useful at the time when you are having some sort of a query generator for, let's say, MySQL database, or it is useful at the time when you are feeding the values inside the form, or some other application where you need to generate the values and test that application. So data generator node is very much helpful, but remember one thing, it is by default not installed with the Node-RED. You have to explicitly install the data generator node. I hope it gives you a clear picture of data generator node. I hope now you can easily generate the random data using data generator node and test different applications. Kindly subscribe the channel to get the regular updates on knowledge series. Thank you.